Hi, in this video I'll explain you how you can send out reminder messages to your customers before a particular date and time. To start with the integration, firstly log into the Interakt platform and on the left hand side go to integrations. Over here click on Google Sheets and click on next. You can find a few workflows available over here. For this particular test, we'll be selecting this particular workflow which says trigger a WhatsApp template whenever the date time matches the value specified in the sheet. Simply click on this particular workflow, hit install, click on edit settings. Here you need to firstly authenticate both your Google and your Interakt account. So simply click on sign in with Google. Once your account is authenticated, now simply enter the API key of your Interakt account which is available in the developer settings. Since I already have it, I'll hit connect. Now once both of these are connected, the next step is to configure the workflow. Click on this button which says flow configuration. To set up the workflow, first you need to set up the Google Sheet as well. So this is the Google Sheet that I've set up, which has the phone number, country code, name, appointment time. We'll be selecting the spreadsheet ID of the URL. So paste the spreadsheet ID, select the sheet name. In this case, we'll be selecting sheet 2 since sheet 2 is where I've created this appointment time workflow. Now the second step is to set up the filter condition. So here our use case is to send out the message, suppose 10 minutes before or let's suppose 15 minutes before a particular date and time mentioned in the sheet. In this case, I'll then select that only continue if the appointment time, and then in this case I'll be selecting date time is equal to current date with future minutes by let's suppose 10. So what this condition means is that if the appointment time is 10 minutes before the date and time mentioned in the Google Sheet, that means that is the future date, right? So the message will get triggered at 4:20 p.m. So you need to select this particular filter. Let's suppose if you wanted to send out the message 10 minutes after the appointment time, which was let's suppose 4:30 p.m. in the sheet, you want to send out the message at let's suppose 4:40 p.m. In that case, we would have selected filter condition as date time is equal to current date with past minutes by 10. Because the current date is 4:40 p.m. and the date when we actually wanted the sheet to actually read the value from was at 4:30. So that is 10 minutes past. So that is why in that case we would have selected this particular condition. But right now we'll be selecting future minutes by 10. That means what is the correct time, which is let's suppose as soon as it hits 4:20 and there's a 10-minute gap between the current time and the future time, which is 4:30 p.m. saved in the Google Sheet, the message will get triggered. Alright, once you've configured the condition, next select the template name. Let's suppose I have a sample template called appointment test already created. Here we'll be selecting the campaign name. Let's suppose appointment test 1. For mapping the country code, we'll select the country code column from the Google Sheet. Similarly for phone number. Now in this particular template, this is the content that's available, which has two variables. So let's suppose for the first variable, I want to send out the name mentioned in the sheet. And for the second one, I want to send out the appointment time. Alright, once you've configured the workflow, simply hit activate. Here you can also select the frequency as to how often do you want the system to read your Google Sheet. In this case, I'll be selecting this as 5 minutes. You can simply click on save. As you can see, the workflow has been activated successfully. Now we'll go to the logs section and we'll wait for the logs to start appearing once the workflow is triggered. As you can see, this criteria has finally met. Over here, the date that was mentioned in the sheet was 14:35 and the workflow mentioned of sending the messages 10 minutes before. And as you can see, the log is of 4:25, which is exactly 10 minutes before the mentioned date.